Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your burner to light by itself on your gas stove that has the electric igniter to start it. If you find the video useful and you liked, you can check the comments in the comments area. There's a link there. You can send me a tip, a buck or two. I'd appreciate it. Tinkering with the stove in my daughter's place. That burner lights. This burner lights. That burner lights. But this front one didn't like lighting. Takes a little bit. It wasn't lighting at all. So what I did, I pulled everything off of it, lifted it up, and I went and got a needle. Let me find a needle. Took this needle and went down here. You got a hole here. Clear that out. You got a hole right below it. Clear that one out. Then you got two holes down at the bottom. Need to be cleared out. Clear those out real good. Because when you turn either one of those burners on, these igniters, one here and one here, they ignite. And the vacuum from the gas should draw that spark in and fire it up. So let's see if you can see those igniters. See the one on the other side igniting too? So let's see if this one goes a little easier since I cleaned it out a little more. Yep, it's lighting a little easier. Good deal. What happens is someone is cooking something and it overspills and it gets down on the vents where the gas comes through and clogs them up. So you could brush them with a wire brush or something like that, and that'll clean stuff off and clean those holes out as well. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.